breadfruit. Woo! We've been struggling to get these to grow on our property, so I'm gonna try and see if I get a piece and try again. This right here, we used to have this in our garden when I was a youngster. I love this plant. I'm gonna try and see if I can do some research and see if I can get a clipping of it and replant it back. The land provides. Those are some nice large mangoes. They look beautiful. This on my, I need something like this, but I need the one that have the washer a little, not the fingers like this. Okay, so this one has major cracks in it. This one does, and this one as well. So let me see if I can. This one look like it has a couple hairline cracks in it. They all seem like they have cracks in it. And you're currently looking at Santa Elena right here, right now. That's this famous Santa Elena complex over there. That's the Santa Elena Elementary School that used to be right next to the Hawksworth Bridge, but they moved to this new location now, about 20-30 years back, roughly 30 years back. That location now is a high school. And from over here where my finger is panning to the left, that's all San Ignacio. That's the town council right over there. And Kahapech ruin is right over there. This is the twin town of San Ignacio, Santa Elena, in the great nation of Belize. Get the grout out of it. One is the grout, that's the grout, and that's the pin set right there. Can't get it up without it snapping or breaking. The more I pull out the grout and knock out the grout, the more hairline cracks started to appear. That was there, but it just start showing up even more prominently as I shell out the grout and the tin set that's wedged between the tile edges. I messed around and gave myself a little cut too. Smash my hand up against the grout. Trying to figure out if there's power coming to this outlet. I just tried running the hammer drill and there's no action happening. Set this there, figure it out in a second. Okay, there's power. So out there, there's the Macal River. On this side here in Santa Elena, you have Broadless Bank. Right down here, you have Red Creek in that direction. Then over here might be Santa Cruz, or maybe part of old Santa Elena. But over here, you might have Santa Cruz and then Hillview. And then beyond that is Esperanza. That's the famous Santa Elena complex. It got started right here. This is the old phase of it, this section right here, and then that's the new phase. Pretty impressive. Got power. And that's the San Ignacio tongue over there as well, highlighting it roughly like right here where my finger line, that's might not be able to see it, that's a downtown area. Over here, that's the route going towards Benque Viejo del Carmen. And then somewhere around here, like that house right there coming down, just beyond that, that's the route to go to Cristo Rey and San Antonio and Mountain Pine Ridge. And right over here, there's the old firehouse, the second firehouse for the twin town of San Ignacio and Santa Elena. The second firehouse, the first firehouse for Santa Elena. And I think the second firehouse for Santa Elena is over here somewhere.